Alright folks, buckle up because we're diving into Genesis' latest luxury masterpiece, the newly redesigned 2025 Genesis G80. Whether you're already a fan or just discovering Genesis, this model is setting the bar high for executive sedans. Let's break it down. The 2025 G80 kicks things off at a starting MSRP of $57,100, and trust me, you're getting a lot of car for that price. Genesis is all about packing luxury, cutting-edge tech, and style into every inch of this ride. And with options ranging up to the 3.5T Sport Prestige AWD at $77,000, there's a model for every kind of driver. Genesis isn't playing around with performance. You've got two powertrain choices here. 2.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing 300 horsepower. It's quick, it's responsive, and perfect for city and highway cruising. Want more oomph? Go for the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, cranking out 375 horsepower. With the extra kick, this engine turns the G80 into a proper performance sedan. Exterior, elegance meets athleticism. From first glance, the 2025 G80 screams luxury. The micro-lens array headlamps are sleek and functional, giving you improved visibility without blinding other drivers. You've got updated front and rear fascia and a couple of fresh wheel designs. Check out those 19-inch alloys or bump it up to 20-inch sport alloys on higher trims. Oh, and if you're into standout colors, the new Vatna Grey inspired by Iceland's volcanic landscapes is a must-see. Interior, tech meets luxury. Step inside, and the tech hits you right away. A 27-inch OLED display wraps from your instrument cluster to the infotainment. It's all about blending functionality with sleek aesthetics here. Need a panoramic view? The optional panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin and adds to that premium vibe. Plus, there's heated and ventilated seats, premium materials all around, and if you go for the sport trims, you're looking at some seriously cool leather surfaces and carbon fiber trim. For audiophiles, you're covered with the Bang & Olufsen premium audio system, delivering rich, immersive sound. Imagine driving to your favorite beats with crystal clear sound pumping through 12 or 21 speakers. Genesis isn't slacking when it comes to tech either. The 2025 G80 is loaded with safety and convenience features like forward collision avoidance assist 2, lane keeping assist, and even a fingerprint authentication system. And for the tech-savvy, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and the killer Genesis Digital Key 2. Unlock your car with just your smartphone. The higher-end models even come with advanced driving aids like surround view monitor and remote smart parking assist 2. So yeah, you can literally park the car with a touch of a button. If parking has always stressed you out, these features are a game changer. The 2025 G80 isn't just about looks, it's all about that smooth, luxurious drive. For the more adventurous, go with the Sport Prestige AWD trim that packs in features like rear wheel steering and sport-tuned suspension. Genesis threw in their road preview tech that uses navigation to adjust the suspension for any bumps ahead. And if you're in the mood for some fun, Sport Plus mode stiffens everything up and amps up the driving dynamics. So, who's the 2025 Genesis G80 for? If you're someone who craves luxury, but also loves a little bit of tech and performance, this car is for you. The price might start in the mid-$50s, oh, but what you get for that is pure value. We're talking next-level interior, refined performance, and tech that makes every drive feel like you're in the future. This beauty will hit US dealerships soon, so you better mark your calendars or hit up your local Genesis retailer if you're ready to experience this masterpiece for yourself.